Hello. Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
हाँ मैम ने ज्वाइन किया अभी.
Hmm.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Shall we start? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, sure. It's connected now.
Okay, ma'am. So let's start.
Sure.
Okay. A very good evening to everyone present here. I, Shada Sadia, on behalf of my entire Hey Foodie family, welcome you all to our talk show. Today we have amongst us a very special guest, Mrs. Tilotama Singh. Mrs. Tilotama Singh has a teaching experience of 15 years. Is she there, ma'am? So, yes. So, as I said, that she has a teaching experience of 15 years and has been working as the principal of Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir for last 2 years. The school is a unit of Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir Trust run by the Art of Living, the international NGO, which has 95 plus schools all over India and has its head office in Bangalore. Ma'am, again I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me for this session.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the session will be carried forward by Vidisha. Over to you, Vidisha.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste. And a very warm good evening. Am I visible to you and audible both? Is she there?
Her camera is off actually.
Because, hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Ma'am, kindly switch on the video and audio. Thank you.
Yeah, because you're not visible and audible to us.
सादा एक बार मैम को कॉल कर लो, है ना? एक बार रीज्वाइन करने के लिए बोलो एग्जिट करके.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Am I audible and visible to you?
Yeah, now it's audible now. I don't know why there is a problem. Maybe net
Yeah,
issue.
no issue. I guess the bad weather condition and the network issue is the problem. So, ma'am, namaste and a very warm good evening and welcome to Healthy Chat with Hey Foodie. इससे
Yeah,
पहले कि
namaste and good evening.
जी इससे पहले कि हम
Yeah.
अपने चैट शो से शुरुआत करें, मैं आपको हे फूडी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूंगी. तो जिस तरह पूरे देश में कोरोना वॉरियर्स आगे आ रहे थे, उस तरीके से हम इम्यूनिटी वॉरियर्स बन के आगे आए और अभी भी आ रहे हैं। हमारी जो कंपनी है, जो कि एक सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, हम बिलीव करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Hope so.
Yes, ma'am. So tell me, how has this long period of lockdown has gone? कैसा बीता आपका?
Lockdown.
You again lost connection with her?
No, I'm here. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now you're audible.
Okay, means earlier whatever I told it was not audible, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So you asked me a question about that how was the lockdown, this long lockdown, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, everything depends on mind because time means change. Lockdown suddenly everyone had to face a lockdown. So every time you should be ready. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So lockdown we can say it's a change and the time change, nature shows that really changes. So as I told that everything is in the mind. Yes, of course, lockdown was a very crucial time. We were stuck at home. But at the same time, when we are in the field of education, so knowledge cannot be locked down. The works cannot be locked down. So we, with the entire team of our school, we must be preparing.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Vidisha, I think if ma'am will switch on his video, so she will be disconnected because of bad network. So ma'am, tell ma'am to not switch on their video and talk with the only audio. If she will be switch on the video, the connection will be lost of ma'am because of bad network.
I continue because it's a frequent disconnecting. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, if
But
you are
I can feel there is a
if you are
frequent
switch on
disconnection.
the yes ma'am, if you are switch on the video mode, then your
Okay.
network will be slow and your because the bandwidth is too low in your network area, so it's only by the audio only you can speak clearly.
Okay, fine. Then I'll put my video off. Okay. I think it's better.
Your
Shall
audio
I
will
continue?
be, yeah, audio is better. Just 1 second, ma'am. Vidisha is rejoining. Sadia, you can continue.
Hello. Yeah. We properly utilize this time in the field of education because as I told earlier already that we have our 95 schools. So we all joined together on one platform and every day we had a session of sharing session, training session, and how to prepare ourselves, how to prepare the next generation to be habituated to live in this situation only because this is a fact that we have to learn to stay with this COVID-19 situation for coming 1 or 2 or 3 years. We have to bring a change in our lifestyle. We have to bring a change in everything. So this lockdown should completely be used to set ourselves at how to live with the situation. So with the entire team, we had our yoga sessions, we had our regular Zoom sessions from our Trust Bangalore office and different states. We have from north, south, east, west, everywhere we have a school. So we have our knowledge sharing sessions. So all the teachers were there, and as it is already mentioned, work from home. So we made our students also habituated that how you will continue your knowledge should not be locked down. So I can say in short that we utilize this time, this lockdown time, to make us habituated this day with this situation.
Correct, ma'am. So, ma'am, next question is that in during the lockdown period, which all food items will be preferable for eating? And because in the lockdown, everyone is sitting in a home, they are not doing any exercise. So, which foods are good for them from your end?
Exactly. It's a very good question. During lockdown, already we are at home, not doing exercise and all. Fuel has an very important role. And as well as I told that we are a part of art of living. So it teaches.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So as I told that we are the part of art of living. It teaches that what is the art of living, and the most and topmost criteria is a proper food habit, because this proper food habit makes us.
Okay. Yes, madam. Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, there was a. Yes, yes, it's audible now.
Okay.
There was a call from your side suddenly in between, so I got mute.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, but there is a call from your side, the WhatsApp call. That's why I get disconnected and I get mute automatically,
Okay.
because I'm getting call from your side, and that ring disconnect mutes me.
I will check, ma'am.
Please.
And then next question, which I am going to ask, like, suppose every home is there, they have their own immunity booster, like adrak and haldi ka kadha, and a type of some energy drink. So, what is the energy drink which you are following, ma'am?
See, we are following the energy drinks that is recommended by our trust. Homemade drinks generally, gingers, clove, and that tulsi leaf that we prepare, that light uh, tea type we can say. Uh, and mainly this not especially any separate health drinks or energy drinks. So these warm tea in the form of using ginger, tulsi, and all applying, and this only we recommend even everyone to at home.
ओके हे फूडी जो हमारा है उसमें एक स्लोगन से हम काम करते हैं जिसमें कि तन्मना भोजनगत चित्त इस मतलब का इसका अर्थ आपको बता दूं मैं कि जिस भाव से खाना बनाया जाए, अगर उस भाव से खाना खाने वाले खाए तो उसके शरीर में लगता है, राइट? तो
Exactly.
वो भी एक चीज है कि जिससे इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट होता है, और मेनली
very true. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please continue.
Yes.
This is
So जिस भाव से खाना बनाया जाए उसी भाव से अगर खाने वाले खाए तो उसके शरीर में लगता है। तो हे फूडी एग्जैक्टली हम उसी चीज पे काम कर रहे हैं और एक हमारे थॉट से ऐसा लगता है कि इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर वो भी एक पार्ट होना चाहिए कि खाना खाने वाले को भी, अगर सपोज आप बना रहे हैं, अगर आप अपने बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो उनको आप ये सोच के बना रहे हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं और वो सोच के खाएंगे कि मेरे मॉम ने बनाए हैं हमारे लिए। तो वो एक एड ऑन एनर्जी होता है जो कि इंटरनल एनर्जी बूस्टर होता है, राइट मैम?
right, very true. I agree.
यस मैम।
Yes.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन मैम, जैसे कि अभी की डेट में लोग को पता है कि हाथ धो के खाना खाना होता है या फिर हर घंटे में हाथ धोना होता है, उसको लेके फिर सब्जी के ऊपर में कैसे बोला जाए मैम? जो वेजिटेबल्स जो मार्केट से आ जाते हैं उसको तो सैनिटाइज नहीं किया जा सकता है, तो फिर इसको कैसे यूज किया जाए?
See, this is very good part that vegetables we don't know कि who are using, who is selling vegetables, कौन दे रहे हैं आपको, कौन supply कर रहे हैं. So it is already said कि we use warm water to clean it, keep it aside. Don't use on the same day. Try to avoid using it on the same day and use warm water, clean it, and then use it. This is the only thing that we use and we recommend to use because we cannot avoid purchasing vegetables from the market and from the roads and all. So that's it.
Correct ma'am. Vidisha, carry on.
Yes. Yes, thank
Yeah,
you,
your
sir.
voice is
Hello,
cracking.
ma'am. Am I audible to you?
It's not audible.
Okay. Now am I audible to you? Hello.
Hello,
Vidisha,
nothing is audible. Please check.
Vidisha,
Hello.
you do one thing.
Yeah, it was not audible. Please.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my voice is audible. Ma'am, my voice is audible ना? विदिशा, आप अपना ना वीडियो को ऑफ कर दीजिए, एक्चुअली उनका ना नेट बहुत स्लो है।
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible to you now?
One second,
Now
one
you
second.
all are audible. Now audible.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Hanji,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please.
So what are the
We were
things?
talking about the vegetables.
Yes, yes, yes. तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अभी इस टाइम पे ऐसी कौन सी वेजिटेबल्स हैं जो आप प्रेफर करती हैं या फिर जो आपको लगता है हमारा इम्यूनिटी बिल्डअप करता है, तो वो कौन से होंगे?
Definitely, it's the summer time. We must use the juicy vegetables, full of juices. कोशिश करना है कि we have to avoid the sweet, the vegetable, the sentence more sweet and juicy.
Okay. Hello.
We must avoid the hot and spicy. Should not be hot and spicy food should be avoided, as well as those with sour and salty taste. Instead, favor foods that are sweet or bitter in taste. We must eat sweet foods, avoid sour ones. Many fruits like apples, berries, cherries. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please continue. You're audible.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. We must drink plenty of cool liquids, but not icy, not chilled one. So I would recommend to use the fresh fruits and eat sweet foods in the summertime. As for the timing, as for the season, we must consume the foods, minimizing being in the sun. So these are the common things.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your things with us. We also got an idea of it. So, मैम इस लॉकडाउन के समय पे अगर चीजें बदली हैं तो कुछ न्यू चेंजेस भी आए हैं, ठीक है? एंड वन ऑफ देम इज
Definitely.
ऑनलाइन स्टडी या यू कैन से डिजिटल एजुकेशन, ठीक है, which is mostly
Digital
on
education.
yes, this is which is basically on Zoom, Google Meet and stuff. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि आपको लगता है कि जो क्लासरूम एक बच्चे को मिलता है एज कम्पेयर टू दैट जो ऑनलाइन एक बच्चे को मिलता है जब उसकी टीचर पढ़ाती है, तो वो मतलब कौन सा ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है?
Obviously, of physical presence of the teacher matters. क्योंकि बच्चे आप सामने जब आपके बच्चे रहते हैं, you can access to the face study कि सामने वाला बच्चा आपका समझ रहा है या नहीं समझ रहा है. No doubt, nothing is better than something. कुछ ना होने से बेटर है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बच्चों को कुछ दे रही हैं. We cannot deny that this is a situation out of our control. तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अगर नहीं रहते तो बच्चे बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं करते, बट कुछ उनको मिल रहा है. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी एज अ टीचर्स वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, क्योंकि हम जो दे रहे हैं वट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग वी आर गिविंग, but how much they are taking that we cannot assume, right? Sometimes it happens those who are well, those who are the good students, they are doing well, but maximum are the average students. They are not catching. If they are not able to understand, just keep dumb. They hesitate to ask. Even it's a problem to be high tech, training them how to update the Zoom, how to answer. It's really a big challenge that the teachers education department is facing. Higher education, okay, the students are already alert, they are doing online classes and it is beneficial for them, but for the schooling, it's not as beneficial, as effective as it was in the classroom. But again, same thing I'll say, something is better than nothing, right?
Right.
So we even when we send the homeworks and classwork to WhatsApp, students they keep watching the mobile screen maximum time. They copy their work from the mobile screen, and it affects their health as well. So guardians are also complaining. So we have started some another project on it also. So we can discuss on the project later. So we can come back on the topic whatever we are discussing. So
Yeah. Absolutely right, ma'am. I believe that you are one of those teacher who believes in traditional way of teaching, which is classroom wala thing, okay,
mm,
which
mm.
has a great impact on the student's mind. So
No, here I would like to add something. Yes, no doubt
yes,
कि when there is a change needs
Mhm.
to be accepted. आज जो समय है या coming situation जो आने वाला है, बच्चों को accept करना पड़ेगा इस online teaching. Because suddenly there is
Right,
a
right,
change, and sudden change cannot be accepted, right? So
right, right.
talk, if you talk about 20 years later, 2050 and all, so it can be a good option, classroom teaching, but online teaching. But for this, students have to be well equipped, like they should have the good device, good network connectivity, and they must be aware how to operate it. So presently in current scenario, they are not really aware of it, कि how to handle it, करना क्या है, कैसे करना है. That's why this is a big problem. But gradually, earlier there was a Gurukul system. The student used to stay in the Gurukul. Teacher सामने 25 years or 10 years गुरु के साथ रह के पढ़ते थे. So there was a change. उसके बाद changes आया. School system was there. So it depends. Time will be clear. But present scenario में traditional teaching क्योंकि हमारे दिलो दिमाग पे, बच्चों के दिलो दिमाग पे, गार्डियंस के दिलो दिमाग पे बैठ चुकी है, इसीलिए नए चेंज को अपनाने में थोड़ा समय जरूर लगेगा. बट अगर ये कंटिन्यू रहा तो इट विल बी अ नॉर्मल हैबिट. टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग, so we were not ever thought last year that it is also possible to conduct webinars and seminars through Zoom session and through live Facebook, but it's happening. So it depends. Changes are really tough to accept, right?
Right, 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 ma'am. So well, that's why it's said now that every coin has two sides. Or if we're talking about this change, so if we are accepting this change, तो इसके कुछ
Yes,
negative
अच्छे बुरे
aspects भी
दोनों चीज
होंगे.
हैं, नेगेटिव भी हैं,
Yes,
बिल्कुल. So,
yes, ma'am.
like mobile schools we have started, school on wheels project we have started. Those students living in the remote area, we are providing them the sheets, the books are already with them, the teachers prepare.
Right, ma'am, right. So well, let's move on to अपना खाने पीने वाला topic. So, do you like cooking?
again, India is a developing country, right? So, and the students living in the remote area, they are facing problems. So problems are there, but gradually it will be overcome, right? Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that, do you love cooking? Are you passionate about it?
I can say, yeah, I love cooking, but honestly speaking, I don't get time to do cooking, right? So we have a big joint family, and we are approx 20 members in the family, and I'm the head one among the females. So hardly I go to kitchen and do cooking. But yeah, but I love cooking, and whenever I get time, I do cook.
Mhm.
So, but honestly speaking, I don't do cooking. Occasionally, if something is there that I have to prepare some dish and all, then I love to do. But if you'll ask me something about cooking and kitchen, I'm totally out of it. Right?
No issue. If I ask you one recent dish जो आपने इस लॉकडाउन में बनाया, जो एक अच्छा एक्सपेरिमेंट था और सबको पसंद आया, तो वैसा कोई डिश है क्या?
Okay, let me think. What was the dish that I made myself? सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्या बनाया मैंने. Yeah, एक sweet dish था. That was that we say खीर पायस, दूध और चावल का जो था. So I made it, and custard. So there was a demand of kids. घर में बच्चों का. I said, let me make the custard. I think I'm famous for the custard. Even my ex-students also, they know maybe someone is here, but I'm famous for the custard. And yeah, momos also. I made momos. So custard and momos, I can say.
Yes, ma'am. I see a message flashing on the screen, and it's Shahid who's saying that you make yummy momos. We would definitely like to know the recipe someday later.
Pardon, I did not hear. What did you say? Something you said on the screen.
Yes, one of your students said that you we make quite yummy momos. So
Yeah, Shahid. Maybe it's Shahid. Yeah,
yes, it's Shahid, ma'am.
yeah. They have tasted. Might be that. So
Well, we wish that we also had a principal like you.
so
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
good.
Since you're facing a lot of network issue, but you still cope up with us. Thank you so much.